Let's talk about AI impact on online marketing. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss the impact of artificial intelligence on the online marketing space. In recent years, AI has become a buzzword in the tech industry, and its influence is being felt across a variety of sectors, including online marketing. AI technology is transforming the way businesses reach and engage with their audiences, making it easier for companies to reach their marketing goals. One of the key benefits of AI in the online marketing space is improved targeting. With AI, businesses can now analyze vast amounts of data about their target audience, including their preferences, behavior patterns, and their purchase history. This information can then be used to create highly targeted marketing campaigns that are more likely to resonate with their target audience. Another advantage of AI in online marketing is its ability to automate many of the tedious tasks associated with marketing. For example, AI algorithms can be used to schedule social media posts, create personalized email campaigns, and even handle customer service inquiries. This frees up valuable time for marketers to focus on more strategic tasks, such as developing new marketing campaigns and analyzing data. Another area where AI is having a significant impact is in the creation of highly personalized content. With the help of AI, marketers can now create content that is tailored to each individual customer based upon their interests, their preferences, and their behavior patterns. This level of personalization is not only more engaging for the customer, but it also leads to higher conversion rates. Finally, AI is also helping businesses to optimize their marketing campaigns in real time. With AI algorithms analyzing vast amounts of data about their campaigns, businesses can now make data-driven decisions about what is working and what is not. This allows them to quickly pivot their campaigns and improve their overall results. In conclusion, AI is having a profound impact on the online marketing space, making it easier for businesses to reach their target audience, automate tedious tasks, create highly personalized content, and optimize their marketing campaigns in real time. If you are not already using AI in your marketing efforts, now's the time to start exploring this technology. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next time, take care. Have a great day.